Alright guys, just take a quick video. Just got this out, a little bit different because I got a hole in my trunk. Anyways, I made it to where I could slide things out easier, including the torque tube if I had to. But this is how I pretty much have it jacked up. Just have it propped underneath the transmission in the front of there, and then just, jack stand, just in case it accidentally lowers itself for some reason. Okay, and all I did was I took out these bolts right here for the upper arm, then disconnect the coil over it all, just pulled on a little bit. I did disconnect one of the brake lines, just the screw, not the actual line itself, so it could come out a little bit more. And that's all I did on those. And then I didn't have to do anything with subframe. Those are everything, all the bolts are there. So, and then obviously you had to take out the 5 nuts here. That's kind of a pain because these are like, I think 17s. These are top 2 are 13s, and then this one I think is a 15, which, why? Anyways, but I did disconnect the top, that little top sensor, and yeah, pretty much slid right out. I went underneath with that piece of board right there and just pried on it for using the subframe as like a pivot point, and it just came right back. I mean, there was a little bit of, but I kind of just went like, but yeah, now I gotta change the gears out. Hey, go me.